So guys, I know you love my Shein plus size clothing hauls, but today we're doing something a little bit different. We've got a homeware haul. So if you're excited to see what I picked up, then stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Becky and welcome to my channel. I'm best known for doing my plus size fashion hauls, but I also love doing my beauty and lifestyle videos too. So if that sounds like your cup of tea and you haven't yet, then don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button down below. And of course, give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps push my video out there in the wide yonder of YouTube. And hello to my lovely regulars. Thank you so much for joining me today. I super appreciate it. And I'm especially excited because I haven't done a Shein homeware haul before on my channel. I have shopped Shein homeware myself before, but they sent me the work, like, it's huge and it's heavy. It's absolutely enormous, and I found some really nice bits, so I'm super excited to show you. This was all gifted by Shein, and I'll leave a little discount code on the screen for you now, and links will be down below in the description box. So I'm going to start with this absolutely gorgeous shell velvet pillow. I've seen these everywhere on Instagram. They're obviously like a super trendy piece at the moment, and I got it in this beautiful like tealy blue colour. I think they do some other colours as well, like pinks and purples perhaps. You'll have to have a look on the Shein website. Yeah, I think this colour might be out of stock now, but if you click on the link it will show you similar items, but also if the item is popular they will make some more of it. So it's got all these kind of like lines to define the shellness. It is plain on the back. When this came it was all kind of like compressed, like shrink wrap to make it small, but it has plumped up really nicely, and we actually ended up ordering 3 more of these cushions for the living room. We really like them. The quality is absolutely amazing. It's like something you would pick up in any kind of homeware type shop. No funny smell or anything. Like, honestly, really impressed. And I've seen these sell on like Instagram for like £30-35. So this was an absolute bargain, and it looks like the real deal. So for straight off the bat, super impressed. So I have gone through everything already, just to kind of see how everything was. So then up next I got this absolutely gorgeous kind of like creamy Aztec tufted pillowcase. This is one thing I really like about Shein, is they sell pillowcases. You can just buy one pillowcase and you can change them throughout the seasons. They do loads of like seasonal cover cases, like for fall and for Christmas, but then you can pop on your normal stuff when it's not that. So I actually loved this one so much as well that I have ordered a second one of these. I just think it's so nice. It's made of this like chenille, I think is the name, almost like a tweedy velvet. Super nice. Where is the, yeah, so it's just got a really thin zip, and that's where you put it in there. Love this so much, I went back and got another one. So when I first ordered, I thought these were also going to match that one, but these are a slightly different material. These are a bit more of a canvas jute type material. They're definitely different and a bit more kind of like rugged. I think I would perhaps use these in like a conservatory, or whereas that one I'm thinking more for like bedroom. I think this would be better in more of almost like an indoor outdoors type place, like a conservatory, or even use them as outdoor cushions as long as you bring them in. But yeah, this is a bit more of a darker cream, almost like a light tan. So this has got this pattern on, and then I got one with a slightly different pattern. So they're still really good quality. They didn't say they would match that, I just thought they would. But these two definitely match each other. I would just recommend have a look at reviews and stuff like that, because often people will put their own photos on, and I find that really helps me gauge. So if you're buying something that I haven't shown, the reviews are a really great place to just kind of see if the material is exactly how you're thinking it is. So yeah, I think these will be great for somewhere else in the house, just not where I was thinking. I was thinking I was going to have like the 3 pillows all together. So really like them, but just a little bit different than how I thought they were going to be. Then up next, we have got such a find. So this is a silicone cooking utensils set. This has got all of these things in it, and it comes in this beautiful box. Like, this would be such an amazing gift. It says that they're quality, that's good, quality, heat resistant, protect, BPA free, rigorous design. So, you know, all the all the good things, some spelling mistakes, but that's okay. So this is one thing I'm so impressed by. How am I going to get this out? So this is what was in the box. It is literally a kitchen's worth of utensils. It says kitchen set food and drinks on the little tub. To be honest, I would just face that like away from the surface, because I get slightly cringe, but I didn't buy it for the plastic pot, obviously, but it's nice that it comes in that presentation. You literally get everything you could ever want, like a spatula, a whisk, tongs, and they all have this beautiful like wooden handle, and these are like really good quality. This wasn't cheap for Shein, but I believe for like how much I paid compared to like how much stuff is like on the high street, it was such a good price. And I love the colour. I think it's very fresh and will just be nice to like jazz up all the utensils in the kitchen. So yeah, I just thought that was a really great find and could be an amazing gift for someone. I think that would just be, sometimes really nice just to have a refresh of kitchen utensils, and they all match, so that's lovely. So up next, I have this absolutely enormous ivory. I wouldn't say it's white and I wouldn't say it's cream, like super soft like that. Those gorgeous like fleecy plush blankets with this really gorgeous little pom-pom trim. Super simple. Oh, I thought it was raining then. Super simple, but just so I love these blankets so much. So I'm actually going to put this on my bed. It's really big. What size? Oh, doorbell, I have got a delivery. I'll let you know what size I got in this down below, so just so you know, but they do put all the sizes and they'll have like different size options, so just bear that in mind. And if you have a tape measure, always like kind of lay it out, because sometimes some stuff is smaller than you think, or sometimes it's too big. So I got this in the biggest size just because I want to like have it cover my entire double bed. So I'm gonna fit that out tonight. I'm so excited. Like, look how big it is. I can't wait. It's gonna be so snuggly. And then I got some bedding. So I'm not going to be making my bed 4 times, but I will show you the pillowcases so you'll get an idea. I love Shein bedding. I think it's really good quality, and I just really fancy some new bedding, if I'm honest. So I picked up this gorgeous sage green, just very simple, and it's just got this like frill around the outside. I just thought it was really nice and calming. I think like this kind of sage green in the bedroom, it's just so nice and relaxing. And they do so many different size of bedding. I think a British standard is 200 by 200 for a standard double bed duvet set, so just bear that in mind. And they all come with 2 pillowcases and a duvet cover, and I think that includes the single beds. You'll get 2 pillowcases, I think. So yeah, just bear that in mind. And I think they all are done up via zip fastening. I will just say, I think all the bedding that I have bought is polyester. I actually, my bedding in London when I used to live there was polyester, and I really liked it because I didn't need to iron it. It washed really, really well. But that's just so you know, because I know some people prefer cotton. I actually really like polyester, and I really like zip fastenings. I find them really, really easy to handle. So that is that set. I then got this really, really cute set with, they've got so many, they have got literally though like bed sheets for any design whatsoever, like any interior that you have. This one's got beautiful little leaves all over it, and then these gorgeous sage green pom-poms. The bedspread is exactly the same. I just thought this was so cute. It's actually a little creamier than I thought, which is perfect. I think they're so cute, and they were a really good price as well, and quite like a modern but sophisticated pattern. I really love them as well. So the next item I was really surprised to see on Shein. This is by a brand called Bill F. I don't know if that is a Shein brand, I have no idea. But this is a acacia wood serving board. It is so fancy. I am a big fan of like tapas, charcuterie boards. I love having friends over. I like putting some like nice meats and cheeses on beautiful wooden serving boards. This looks so fancy. It's such good quality. Like, it's heavy. It's got this really nice like stainless steel hoop, so you could hang it up. I'll probably just leave it on the side. It has this little Bill F engraving. I've never heard of this brand. Have any of you? To be honest, I don't really know what the brand is, so I'll probably just flip it over and use the brandless side. But I am so impressed by the quality of this. Like, this is like some, like John Lewis or Anthropology. Like, I could see this kind of thing being there and being like 30-40 pounds. It's like really nice quality, perfect share board size. I'd say 3 or 4 people's worth of food you could fit on there and do like a really nice like charcuterie board. I absolutely love it. I think it's fab. Then the next item came safely wrapped in this box, and it's this really gorgeous gold photo frame, and I think that's glass in there. It's gold with this like knot rope detail, and it has got a proper little stand at the back to stand it up. This is 13 by 14 centimeters, so I don't really know what size that is, but I need to get a picture in there. That's the one thing I would recommend. As soon as you buy a photo frame, or if you're going to gift a photo frame, put a damn photo in it, because that is the hardest. Well, it's not the hardest thing to do in the world, clearly not, but like it's almost like a little chore in itself. And I recommend if you're gifting one, put the photo in there already, like make it like a nice thoughtful gift. Or if you're picking one up, just get and do it, because otherwise you're not going to use the photo frame. So I don't know what picture. I had this picture of me, my nan, bless her, it's her birthday today, so yeah, I had this picture of us in Norway, me, mum and my nan, and I really like that picture, so I think I'll probably put that one in here, because it's just like the 3 of us with like the most stunning background behind us. So yeah, even though I had that already in that picture, actually. Oh, it's hidden by the roses, but yeah, I think that's what I'll use it for and get it a little bit bigger, because I really like that picture. So I think that's what I'm going to put in there, but that's my recommendation to you. Back to the bed sheets. So this one, where are the pillowcases? Right, so I'm trying to show you the bedspread as best as possible, but I'll pop a picture up again. But this is a really nice white with these beautiful delicate embroidered flowers. So beautiful, and this material, guys, is so soft. The pillowcases are just kind of the fabric opening, but again there is a zip for the duvet, which is definitely my preference rather than fiddly buttons. Oh, and then a button will undo itself and it's so annoying. So this is just gorgeous, and then it's got the beautiful embroidered flowers all over the other duvet case. I just think it looks like really like again like modern and fresh take on kind of like a classic. But they have so many different duvet sets of like every colour and style out there, including like festive ones and stuff like that. I will just say though, again, probably look at the pictures, because this one has come in a colour I wasn't quite expecting. I didn't expect it to be quite so yellowy green. I thought it was going to be a bit more like the one I showed you earlier. So I think I'm going to try this on my bed first and see how I feel about it. Obviously, if you're buying the goods from Shein and it's not the right colour or size, you can return it. However, because I'm so lucky to be gifted things, if it's not quite right, I either donate it or pass it on to a friend that fancies it. But this one, I love the design of, so I might try and pick it up in another colour. But it's all this like tufted chevron design, and that's also all over the duvet set. It's a very bright fun green. I think my mum might even like it. But yeah, it's just slightly different to what I thought it was going to be. But I think this would look so nice in like a cream or a pink as well, or grey even. That would look so nice. So yeah, I definitely recommend checking out customers' pictures, because that normally gives a much better indication of the colour. So this is the only set I was a little bit like, but the quality is still there. I think it's a lovely design and it feels so soft, just not my favourite colour. And then finally, a thing. It's a huge box, guys. Like, look how big. Enormous. Finally, I got another blankie. So this one has been in its little bag for ages, and it's just got this really subtle, like, almost like it's knitted. It's like imprinted. Can you see that? It's so cool. Can you see that? So it's like it's very clearly not knitted, like cable knit, that's the word. It's like a cable knit blanket, but it's just that really soft fleece again. I absolutely love these blankets, and so does me and my mum and my dad. We have one downstairs in the living room and we fight over it when it's cold. So I'm really happy to have another one that I can put downstairs in the living room, so we fight less over them. I will just say, with these types of blankets, I've heard around the YouTube sphere not to wash them with softener because it ruins how soft they are. So just passing that tip on to you guys. But I'm so impressed with the quality of the items. There are some really good quality, like house staples. I'm gonna put this over my legs. It's so soft and warm, oh my god. But there's so many good little finds that you can find on Shein Homeware, and there's also lots of like cute funny things too, some really good like gifts, loads of seasonal stuff as well, stationery, all sorts. And they also do beauty as well now. You could buy like a whole house worth of Shein. So a big thank you to Shein for gifting me all these items, and if you fancy picking anything up, here is my discount code. It's not an affiliate code, it's just to get you a little bit of money off, and you can use that on clothes or homeware or whatever. You can use it on anything. All the links will be down below as well. I hope you enjoyed this slightly different video, but we will be having a Shein fashion video shortly in the future. Hope you're all staying safe and well, and I'll catch you with the next one. Bye!